Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're back in Orlando, Florida. We're going to check out Disney World's Epcot Center. In particular, we're going to be at the World Showcase checking out the Mexican Pavilion. As many of you know, the Epcot World Showcase features several different countries, actually 11 total. They include Norway, China, Germany, Italy, the American Adventure, Japan, Morocco, France, United Kingdom, Canada, and of course Mexico, which is where we're visiting today. I already did a walkthrough through the World Showcase showing all the countries here around this lake, and didn't go into much detail as far as each and every country. I assumed that I would eventually start breaking these countries out into their own videos, and that's what I'm doing today. The very first one will be Mexico. The Mexican Pavilion has several great places to eat. This one coming up here is the Cantina. It's a quick service restaurant adjacent to the Hacienda, and it serves quick bites including tacos, empanadas, churros, and if your timing's right, you can also enjoy views of Epcot's nighttime show from here. Lots more restaurants and shopping, as well as the ride Grand Fiesta Touring starring the three Caballeros. It's a gentle water ride that we're going to enjoy later on in this video. So let's check out the Mexican Pavilion here at the World Showcase at Epcot. We'll head into the Mexican pyramid shortly. As you can see, when I was here, they were still doing social distancing, so there's actually a line waiting to get inside the pyramid. As people leave, they let more people in. But during regular times, you can just come and go as you please. This restaurant is Hacienda de San Angel. It's a table service restaurant, unlike the Cantina, which is quick serve. This table service restaurant overlooks the water across the way from the Mexican Pyramid, which is behind us right now. It's a great place to try for an advanced dining reservation to get a seat for Epcot's nighttime spectacular, so make a reservation here and you'll get a good seat for that nighttime show. There's no shortage of places to get a adult beverage here in the Mexican Pavilion. Some of them include the Cantina, which we passed earlier in the video, as well as Choza de Margarita and La Cava de Tequila. I'm getting online here to enter the pyramid eventually. There's lots of shopping, restaurants, and that ride that I was talking about earlier in the video. But while I'm getting online, I just couldn't help notice all the beautiful tropical plants and flowers and gardens they have around here in the Mexican Pavilion. This here around these parts is known as the Fantastic Five. They include Mickey and Minnie Mouse, Pluto, Goofy, and Donald Duck. If you spot one of them in this video, I'm not going to say which one, but if you spot one of them, leave a comment in the comment section below as far as the timestamp where you spotted them, and you'll get a shout out in an upcoming video.
Yo voy a cantar esta canción, yo voy a cantar esta canción para mi gente. Con una pasión tan fuerte. Ay, 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 ay. Ahora sigo cantando y sigo gozando. Yo sigo cantando y sigo gozando.
And there they are, the three Caballeros, Panchito, Donald Duck, and Jose Carioca. The ride starts off a little dark, but it passes that restaurant that we were looking at while we were waiting online. The restaurant's called Saint Angel Inn. It's located in the back of the pyramid's lower level where you can dine in the shadows of an ancient volcano. Saint Angel Inn is overflowing with atmosphere as the dining room is also adjacent to the open-air marketplace where guests will be browsing and shopping. And of course, it's located right next to this ride, this beautiful water ride we're about to take. By the way, reservations for Saint Angel Inn is definitely recommended. Adios, three caballeros. Well, that was fun. I really enjoyed the Mexican Pavilion here at the Epcot World Showcase, and we'll be visiting all the other pavilions as well. And if you missed the walkthrough for the entire World Showcase, that link for the video is in the description below. When we entered the World Showcase here at Epcot Center, we made a left, and the first pavilion going clockwise is Mexico. The next one coming up here is Norway. I'm not going to do these in any particular order as far as the videos are concerned. I'm just letting you know that if you're going clockwise, the first one you're going to hit is Mexico, and the next one will be Norway. And if you're a fan of the Frozen franchise here at Disney, you're in luck because it's very well represented in Norway. And if you're not a fan of Frozen, well, just let it go. That's a joke. You see, Let It Go was a song from the movie Frozen, and, well, never mind. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.